Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to undo in Pixlr. It's quite simple and all you have to do is follow along, and without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app first, and let's say I'm gonna edit this photo over here. Let's keep this more like on the warm side. Increase the contrast and decrease the brightness. Increase the brightness. So okay, this is the edited version, right? So I'm gonna undo. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to the top section where you can see this arrow of forward. You can simply tap into that. And there you go. If you want to go back again to the edited version, then you can again tap into this backward arrow, almost like when you're forwarding and like your videos and stuff. It almost works like that. Let's tap in this arrow and it's again like that. So if you want to undo this, you can simply tap in this button, and this is how you undo in Pixlr app. This is very simple step, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.